Jalan berlalu, panjang cerita di langit biru. Dari timur hingga barat, rindu rumah lama memikat. Pulang dari tanah Jawa, angin bawa cerita indah mesra. Jejakku penuh cinta, rindu kampung segar terasa. Dalam kereta termenung sendiri, selat memori di hati ini. Gunung, bukit, ladang, sawah, semua itu aku tak pernah lupa. Pulang dari tanah Jawa, angin bawa cerita indah mesra. Jejakku penuh cinta, rindu kampung segar terasa. Awan putih senyum menari, langit jingga jadi saksi. Langkahku kembali ke sini, berpadu sayang sejati. Pulang dari tanah Jawa, angin bawa cerita indah mesra, mesra. Jejakku penuh cinta, rindu kampung segar terasa. Songs get low in the big white sky. Wheels keep turning as the miles roll by. The road's a song and it's humming my name. Every bend whispers we're one and the same. I'm going home where the trees still sway, where the roots run deep and the stars don't stray. The world feels heavy but my heart's a kite. I'm going home, everything feels right. City lights fade like a far-off tune. Chased down dreams, but they left too soon. Dust on my boots, stories in my grin. Each crack in the road feels like a welcome within. I'm going home where the trees still sway, where the roots run deep and the stars don't stray. The world feels heavy, but my heart's a kite. I'm going home, everything feels right. City lights fade like a far-off tune. Chased down dreams, but they left too soon. Dust on my boots, stories in my grin. Each crack in the road feels like a welcome within. I'm going home where the rivers dance, where the laughter echoes and it gives me a chance. The breeze tells tales that the heart can't fight. I'm going home, everything feels right. Like a bird.
We already landed and we are now in Changi Airport in Singapore. Kita sudah selamat mendarat, okay, di Changi Airport. Okay, sekarang kita nak menuju ke cafeteria nak makan for lunch. Selamat mendarat di Singapura. Datuk-datuk dan nenek-nenek semuanya dah selamat sampai. Tu di sana semua datuk-datuk dan nenek-nenek.
Saya sudah kampung, sudah balik. Saya sekarang Singapura, mari kerja baik lagi. Sudah kumpul wang, nanti banyak saya lagi balik kampung lagi.